Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain logo maker shop app review to see if it's worth using. So logo maker shop app review is an handy tool designed for smaller business owner, startup, and a creative people who need a logo quickly and without much technical know-how. The app lets you choose from over 1,000 template, customize font and color, and add icon to match your style, all from your phone. It's a convenient way to visualize a logo in minutes without needing a graphic designer or a complex software. The interface is simple and beginner friendly and even work offline, which make it a flexible option when you are on the go. The main appeals of Logo Maker Shop lies in its easy of use and huge template gallery. However, it has a drawback. Some find it a bit restrictive for more sophisticated design and says it's hard to customize logo much beyond the provided template. There are also a complaint about certain features being locked behind a paywall and a tendency for many logos to look quite similar. So while it's worth it for quick designers, sometimes it's a simple or a temporary business may want more unique or published logo might find it a bit limiting in the long run. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this logo maker platform, and don't forget to subscribe and follow for more. Thanks.